Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. This weekend, we'll be going to Kelantan and learn how to make one of the East Coast's most classic, most famous and colorful dishes, the Nasi Kerabu. Kelantan friends out there, today's your day. This traditional East Coast dish is made up of multiple components, which consists of the blue rice, ayam bakar, and kuah tumis to open up your taste buds and leave you with wonderful layers of flavors and textures. Kelantan or Kelantan Darul Naim is one of the states that is located in the East Coast. The state is famously known for its beautiful beaches and rustic fishing villages. Until today, Kelantan is known for preserving and practicing Malaysia's popular traditional culture such as Wau Bulan or Dikir Barat. Kelantan is also famous for its traditional food such as Nasi Kerabu, Nasi Tumpang, and Cekmek. Without further ado, let's hop in to learn how to make this one and only Nasi Kerabu. And if you're curious how this will turn out, stay tuned to the end to find out some fun and enjoyable food tasting moments. Nasi Kerabu is made up of multiple components, and today we're going with these: nasi biru, ayam bakar, kuah tumis, serunding ikan, sambal lada, sayur ulam, keropok ikan, telur masin, and budu. First off, let's start with preparing the rice. Soak the blue pea flower in the water for 15 minutes and then strain. Once you wash the rice, put it in a rice cooker together with the water from the blue pea flower, lemongrass, and lime leaves. Now, for the chicken, put in every ingredient in a blender and blend them until fine. Then season your chicken well with salt and sugar, then rub the marinade onto the chicken. Let the chicken marinate for at least an hour. After marinating, bake the chicken on 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. The third component is the kuah tumis. To prepare the kuah, you just need to cut up all the ingredients and blend them together. Then fry the paste with some oil until it is fragrant and when you can see some oil bubbling on top of the surface. Then, add in the water and coconut milk. Season the sauce with salt and sugar. The sauce has to be a bit sweet, so make sure to season with extra sugar. Next, for the serunding ikan, boil the mackerel for 15 minutes, then separate the flesh from the bones. Next, without any oil, fry the coconut until it is a bit dry and close to golden brown. Then pound the lemongrass, ginger, shallots, and black pepper in a pestle and mortar. Then combine with the coconut. In the same pestle and mortar, pound the fish, then combine with coconut. Season with salt and sugar, then mix them well. Now, to make the sambal lada, just drop all the ingredients in and blend until smooth. Then season it with salt and sugar. Next, for the sayur ulam, make sure to wash the vegetables as clean as possible to the point where you feel comfortable eating it raw. Then, just slice everything into thin slices and combine it in a bowl. Feel free to add other vegetables that you like as well. For the remaining 3 ingredients, fry the keropok ikan in hot oil until it puffs up and is crispy. Boil your salted egg for 13 minutes. And then pour your budu into a bowl. First, we place the rice on the bottom layer. Then, followed by the ulam, serunding ikan, kuah tumis, budu, and sambal lada. Then on the side, place the tender ayam bakar, salted egg, and crispy keropok ikan. I hope you guys enjoyed learning with me because I certainly did. And good luck trying the recipe. Make sure to stay till the end to find out how it tastes like. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Really enjoy it.
How's the chicken?
It's really nice.
Oh, you're very good at this one.
Today we have our classic bowl of Nasi Kerabu from Kelantan, and I really love this color. I don't know about you, but this blue color rice there, it reminds me of a type of kueh. I can't really recall the name, so if any of you guys know, please comment in the box below. And of course, we also have a very beautifully baked and grilled chicken, and then we have the fish crackers and some coconut flakes, vegetables, salted eggs, amazing stuff. Okay, you know what guys, you know the drill. We're gonna hunt down someone to taste this and give us their thoughts. Hi, two busy bosses. Today is your day. This is the Nasi Kerabu from Kelantan. Okay, so you're gonna enjoy this very beautiful dish, but before you dig in, right, I have a question. Which part of this dish makes you want to eat the most? Which component?
Chicken are so big. Very big very attractive
Yeah, I really looking at the chicken on it.
Okay.
But I see something special. I think the specialty of this dish is because of the
rice,
blue
right?
rice. Yeah, blue rice.
Wow.
Yeah, really.
Okay, so between both of you, who is good at eating spicy stuff?
I think definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your spice level? Brian,
Huh?
your tolerance.
Okay lah, still can lah. 2
Can
out
ah?
of 10 lah.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Still can.
Guys, dig in now and then just enjoy.
I try the chili first.
Yes.
Yeah, but I like the sambal.
Woo!
No?
Chef, you did a great job, chef.
The
Very
sambal,
different, oh.
not spicy, but it's very nice.
Actually, 3 types of sauce here.
Huh? 3 times ah?
Yeah, 3 types. So the
I thought only 2.
the orange one is the Kuah Tumis, the red one is the sambal lada, and the other one is Budu.
Oh,
Don't remember what Budu is.
I know, Budu.
What is gudu?
Budu is I think
Oh,
fermented anchovies. Because the Budu is actually like
Oh,
appetite
eat
opener
chicken.
lah,
Chicken,
something.
right? Yeah, really open that.
Yeah, I remember you
really.
don't like Budu,
Yeah,
right?
I don't like Budu. I cannot eat Budu.
For me, okay.
Really enjoy it.
How's the chicken?
It's really nice.
Oh, you're very good at this one. Really nice.
Wow.
This chicken, you
Huge
put what?
compliment for the chef.
For what? Got ginger, lemongrass, shallots, garlic. All
Oh,
simple.
lemongrass. No wonder.
Ah, the lemon.
No wonder the taste very nice. Because I love lemongrass a lot.
Nice. You guys know how many components are there in Nasi Kerabu?
Components?
That's fast, man. Can you look at that?
Wow.
The rice is gone.
Component ah?
Yeah.
See so?
A few more.
6?
So actually the normal plate of Nasi Kerabu is got 9 components,
Okay.
which
Okay.
is the rice,
Right.
then the 3 types of sauce, which is the sambal lada, kuah tumis, and also the budu, and then the ulam-ulam, the veggie lah, then the telur masin, chicken.
So each different type of sauces consider another component ah?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys really can enjoy, ah?
The first taste is the sambal, very nice. Really.
Before you guys finish, you should do the keropok 1 bite.
What?
Okay, wait.
What one bite?
There's a special way of eating,
Yeah.
which is very nice. Seriously. So if you can learn how to make this, right, would you want to learn?
Yeah, definitely this one. I'm interested because I think I want to learn the it's the sambal or the kuah, right? So whenever I feel like don't want to makan, then I eat that one. Wow,
I think it's the kuah.
wow,
The kuah, what is the name already ah?
kuah Tumis.
Budu?
No.
Tumis? I don't know. Oh shit, they said the wrong name, but it's okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
Wow,
See, his hand
special
ready
one.
already.
What is
His hand
this?
ready. Wait, guys, wait. Okay, can you name this?
I don't have a name for this, but this is how I like to eat the Nasi Kerabu components. Everything on top of a single cracker.
Okay.
This is 1 bite.
But
to
is it
heaven.
outside can find this kind of thing? Or only you yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's call this
Special
one
one,
bite to
special one.
heaven.
Special one.
Yay! So inside have 9 components.
Not 9 like it.
Eight. Without the chili.
Without the rice. Without the rice
Okay, see
and
Brian ready already. Wait, together.
In 1 bite, if you can lah. You want
One bite ah?
Yeah.
Okay, and go.
Go!
尝试 first. Wow.
Feeling it.
Wow.
Okay.
Hey, why no people sell like this?
Oh, really?
Should go and sell like this.
I can feel like different layer coming in.
Right.
First is crispiness, then after that will be the kuah,
Yeah.
then after that will be veggie. It's like different layer.
Salted
So
egg
that's
also
why you
inside,
try.
right?
Also, I think the final one you taste is the salted.
Yeah, final one is salted egg. Suddenly come out.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Looking at this, we know lah. Yeah, it's,
Hey, first time
yeah, so guys, applause for our
Yay!
chef.
Awesome. So any Kelantan people in KL, you want to taste back the hometown
Yeah.
taste, please follow the recipe.
Definitely,
Yeah.
this was very good, very good.
Really?
Very good.
Okay, guys, so you know what to do. If you like it, watch our previous video for the recipe and
Yay!
cooking tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye
Yay!
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. I need to